Hey there, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am going to talk about how to stop being lazy and change your life. If you feel like you're stuck in a rut and can't seem to get motivated, this video is for you. I am going to give you some tips and tricks to help you get off the couch and start making progress towards your goals. 1. Understand why you're lazy. To overcome laziness, it's important to understand the root cause of your behavior. Ask yourself questions like, what triggers my laziness? Am I feeling overwhelmed? Am I lacking motivation? Am I anxious? By identifying the root cause, you can address it directly and come up with solutions that work for you. Understanding why you're feeling lazy or unmotivated can help you address the underlying issues and make meaningful changes. Ask yourself if there are any external factors, such as stress or lack of sleep, that could be contributing to your laziness. Consider whether your laziness could be due to external factors, such as stress or lack of sleep. Alternatively, it could be due to internal factors, such as a lack of motivation or fear of failure. Once you understand the root cause of your laziness, you can develop strategies to overcome it. 2. Start small. Starting small is key to overcoming laziness and building good habits. Instead of trying to tackle everything at once, focus on making small, incremental changes. For example, if you want to start exercising regularly, start with just 10 minutes of exercise per day and gradually increase the duration over time. Starting small helps build momentum and increases the likelihood of long-term success. 3. Set achievable goals. Setting achievable goals is essential to staying motivated and overcoming laziness. Start by making a list of small, specific goals that you can work towards each day. This could be as simple as waking up at the same time every day, drinking more water, or taking a short walk. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small they may seem. This will help you build momentum and keep you motivated. Having specific goals can help you stay focused and motivated. Write down what you want to achieve and create a plan of action. When setting goals, make sure they are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound. SMART. Write down your goals and create a plan of action for achieving them. Break down your goals into smaller, manageable steps that you can work on each day. 4. Develop a routine. Developing a routine is a great way to establish good habits and break the cycle of laziness. Start by creating a schedule that includes time for work, exercise, and leisure activities. Stick to your routine, even on days when you don't feel like it. By following a consistent schedule, you'll find that you have more energy and motivation to get things done. Establishing a routine can help you develop good habits and stay consistent in your efforts. Set a schedule for your daily activities, including work, exercise, and leisure time. Set a schedule for your daily activities, including work, exercise, and leisure time. Stick to your routine as much as possible and be flexible when unexpected events occur. Creating a routine can help you stay organized, reduce stress, and increase productivity. 5. Eliminate distractions. Distractions can be a major hindrance to productivity. Identify the distractions in your life and take steps to eliminate them. This might mean turning off your phone, logging out of social media, or working in a quiet environment. By eliminating distractions, you'll be able to focus more on your tasks and achieve your goals faster. Identify any distractions that are preventing you from being productive and eliminate them. This could mean turning off your phone or blocking social media sites during work hours. Identify any distractions that are preventing you from being productive and eliminate them. This could mean turning off your phone, blocking social media sites during work hours, or finding a quiet space to work without interruptions. 6. Find an accountability partner. Having an accountability partner can help you stay on track and motivated. Find someone who shares your goals and can hold you accountable for your actions. Check in with each other regularly and offer support and encouragement. This will help you stay motivated and committed to your goals. Hold yourself accountable for your actions and resist the temptation to procrastinate or give up. Use positive self-talk and visualization techniques to stay motivated and focused. When you feel tempted to give up, Remind yourself of your goals and the benefits of achieving them. 7. Take breaks. Taking breaks is crucial to staying motivated and avoiding burnout. Allow yourself time to relax and recharge, but make sure you're using your breaks wisely. Take a walk, read a book, or do something that brings you joy. By taking breaks, you'll be able to recharge your batteries and come back to your work with renewed energy. And focus. Celebrate your successes and reward yourself for your hard work. This can help motivate you to continue making positive changes in your life. This could mean treating yourself to a special meal, buying yourself a small gift, or taking a day off to relax and recharge. In summary, overcoming laziness and changing your life requires a combination of self-awareness, goal setting, routine development, distraction elimination, accountability, and self-care. By taking action on these steps, you'll be able to build momentum and achieve your goals over time. Remember, change takes time and effort, but with the right mindset and approach, you can achieve your goals and live the life you want. Please like and subscribe and let me know down in the comments anything you would like me to talk about. Thank you.